Very good morning, friends. So, this is a vlog in the daily life, and my granny is saying hi. And she went because it's too sunny for her. So again, very good morning to everyone. I'm a little sweaty because I was just cleaning up my house and cleaned it a little, made the bed, cleaned the utensils, and this is how a morning begins at Germany when you are at Germany, or I'll say if you are at any other country abroad, or even if you are living in a hostel away from your parents and family. So this is how your life begins. You have to work on the things, clean your bed, clean your room and everything. So in this video I have shown all the things, and have a look. Let me know how you like it. Take care.
But you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, the weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away to you, the weight to you, the weight to you. Don't need no tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, the weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke